change my life for better. So I'll stay in this moment, forever stay focused on you. And I mean forever and ever and ever. And if this is the last time I'll get to say this, I wanna make it right. So I've spent hours and hours and days upon days just trying to figure out all the right words to say. And it's, I know I'm not perfect, but I wanna be for you. I wanna be for you. I wanna be for you.